Kia ora, and welcome to another Dunedin Public Art Gallery Home Learning Workshop. This workshop today is called Toy Town. You've probably got some cars like this at home, and I thought I'd show you how to make a town to go with these cars. But before we start on that, have a look at this. It's a toilet roll. Did you know that one of these cars will fit nicely inside a toilet roll? So why am I showing you that? It's because I want to show you how to make a container to keep your cars from getting scratched and bits of paint chipped off, like what happens when you throw them all together into a box. So find some toilet rolls, or you can make your own just by getting some light card, wrapping it around a toilet roll, putting some tape on, and look, it's the same shape. Then you join the toilet rolls together. You just tape it at the top, tape it at the bottom, and keep doing that till you've got a whole set of them, just like this. And I made it this size because that's going to fit my container, just like that. And then you just pop your cards in. Nice easy way to pack up your cards, and they'll stay looking brand new in a container like that. So that might be something that you make, keep your cars safe. But you're really watching this video to find out how to make a toy town. So go to the recycling bin and get some food packages or other packages. This one's a light bulb. Here's a tea one. Look, custard powder, all sorts of different boxes, and as you can see, they start to look like a bit of a town. The buildings that these are going to be are all different heights and shapes and sizes. Now, to make them not be wobbly, you want to get the bottom and push in the ends and take them down. That'll make a nice flat bottom. And of course, you don't want writing and words and pictures on your containers. You could turn these inside out and paint them, but a much easier way is just to get some white house paint. Now, there's probably some in the garage. You'd have to ask mum or dad and maybe put some old clothes on, but one coat of white house paint will just cover all that up, and then you can use your paints on the top. So for this one, I covered it in white house paint, and then I drew some windows on, and I went round the outside in yellow, and then I outlined the windows with black to make them really stand out. See how that changes the box into a building. So look at this change, and look at this one. So there's the start of our town. Let's take these other buildings away, and we'll start adding. Now, you could put a garage in one of your buildings. Look, the car can fit inside the garage. Here's another one. Car's going to go inside this garage. Here's some little buildings. Or a little red one. Where's that going to go? Over here. Nice little green one. I made a round one out of 2 tins. And I joined these tins together by using photocopy paper, and I just glued it on. And then I painted it over the top, so that one can go here. Oh, here's a nice big yellow one. Let's put that in there. And another red one. Oh, and a lovely purple one. Wonder where that's going to go. Maybe over here. So you can start adding things, like I've got a helicopter pad on the top, so the helicopters can land on my buildings. I had a lot of fun making these buildings. And if you decide to do this, I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun as well. And then you'll be able to play with your cars. So you can get busy and do that. And we'll catch you on another home learning workshop. Bye for now.